Hi guys, CJ is back, and this is a Rubik's. You can see this. I will solve this in one hand. Look. And this is already built. Next one. I'm introducing to you the one by one. Yes, a one by one. Do you know this, guys? One by one is the smallest cube in the world. Do you know that? Do you know that? Huh? Look, I will build this. 1, 2, 3, go. Solve it. Okay? Next. 4 by 4 cube in the world. This, the 2 by 2, that's so big. I am Filipino. So look, that's the 2 by 2 is it's 2 by 2. I will see to you, our viewers, as I solved that 1 by 1 and this 4 by 4. We're gonna tour all the Rubiks. So this is the 4 by 4, the 4. And look and see, this white is almost gonna be broke. Okay, I can solve this, but it's a little bit. Okay, the next one is this 3 by 2, 2 by 3 by 3. Okay, this is the hardest cube in the world, but this is not the best. Nothing. This is the hardest one. And look, 3 by 3. Oh my gosh, diamond. And this is 2 by 2. Oh my gosh. You see that? Huh? Oh man. 2 by 2. 3 by 2. This can be this. 3 by 3 is can be like that. I can be the Beyblade. Look. I will show you Beyblade. And ta-da! Beyblade. This 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. So let's go back to normal. Yeah, that's the normal. Cube. I cannot solve this because it's really hard to solve. This one. This cube. This is the moving. That. They have a color white, blue, yellow, green, red, blue, orange, green. That's all the colors of the cube. This is hard. This is hard. I cannot solve this. The next is diamond cube. Diamond. It can be the baby. Like that. Oh my gosh, guys, look, it looks like a Beyblade. Look. Oh man, look. It can be. It's round. I cannot solve this. This is hard. The next one, the pyramids. The easy. Yeah. Third. This is easy, but I cannot solve it. Look, I can run this. Wow, epic. The next cube, we cannot know the name, but it looks like easy to solve. Look, it can be like this. You can leave on the center. Look, leave. It can be the leaf. This one is a real leaf. Oh man. The next cube, the mirror. Hard. But 3 by 3 mirror cube. This is hard to solve. Look. It's like that. Oh. It can be. It's hard. And the last cube, the famous cube. 3 by 3. 2 by 3 by in the New Zealand. But this is the famous cube in the world. So that's it. Bye bye guys. The end of the video. And bye.